So I am in Fremont, California, and in this video today, I'm checking out a spot called the East Bay Cafe Depot. And this spot is a Filipino-inspired restaurant. However, not only do they have Filipino food, it's kind of a fusion too. They do like fusion breakfast, sandwiches, burritos, just a number of different Filipino-American items. The goal for this video today is to check out something called the lamb tocino. There's a train coming. Very excited to check out East Bay Cafe Depot, which is also a spot where people get dropped off by the train. It's a railway station. With that said, let's get right into the video right now. Yeah, I'll take a look. I'm gonna take it to go. And you guys closing soon, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh man, this is my first time here. The lamb tocino, is that
It's
like a
actually
fusion?
pretty good too.
Is that fusion? Is that a
Yeah.
Filipino? All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna. Yeah, I think
You wanna do the lamb tocino?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do that. Let's do the lamb tocino.
Okay, how would you like this?
Over easy's fine.
Right. For you to go.
I'll take it to go.
Okay. Thank you for waiting.
Oh no, thank you.
Okay, one can soda and lamb tocino. That'll be 1673, please. What's your name? Oh, I will look for it. Wow. Oh my God.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Yeah, well, good luck and I hope you like it.
Absolutely. Yeah, I'm excited to try it.
Yeah,
Okay.
take care, okay?
Thank you. Okay.
Bye.
Take care. Bye. Just picked up the food from East Bay Cafe Depot. Okay, you can see it there. The lamb, garlic rice, egg, over easy, and then the tomato. So, and they also gave me vinegar with it too. But yeah, first of all, I just want to just try that lamb, get into that ASAP. Yeah, take a look. Yeah. Lamb tocino. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and immediately get into the food now, and you could just take a look at that lamb. Oh, you smell the fragrance. I believe it's marinated with soy, garlic, and other spices. And matter of fact, I asked her to make it super spicy. So there's actually a level chart, a level of spice you can have it. And I said I wanted the spiciest, which is the super. So let's see how spicy the super is on this lamb tocino. All right, first bite here. East Bay Cafe Depot, bite. Oh, that flavor is awesome. Oh, sweet, savory, a little tang, a little peppery, but not. I taste a little bit of spice, but it's not as spicy as I thought it would be as far as the category super. So it's not spicy. But it is yummy. It sure is yummy. That is tasty. What a tasty treat. Yeah, that is just like, I mean, that flavor in that lamb is amazing. And it's not gamey whatsoever. That gamey essence has been nullified by just those wonderful flavors. That soy, that garlic. Yeah, the sweetness. Oh man, that is good. Okay, and it's pretty tender too. Okay, we gotta go ahead and start getting into, maybe we'll have it with let's have it with the rice now. So we'll have the lamb with the rice. So pick up some of that rice, portion of lamb right on top. There goes our bite right here. Garlic rice and lamb. Let's go. Bite. Oh, oh yeah. Oh man, that just pairs perfectly. That garlic rice, perfectly cooked, with that lamb tocino. Oh, I can get used to that dish. I can get used to that lamb tocino for sure. That is a wonderful flavor. I love how the pairing of the garlic rice and that lamb, you have a contrast of like the sweet, and then you have that neutral rice, a little bit of garlic, just ultimately making this a wonderful combination right there. But now let's combo that with the egg. There, you see the egg. I'm gonna flip that over. Over easy is what I picked up. And maybe break into the egg a little bit to see if it's still a little yolky. It is. It's not too bad. Yeah. Okay. We'll get that egg. We'll pair it with the rice. Yeah, why not? Let's have the lamb right on top. That combination. Ooh. Okay. Here it is. Lamb, egg, and garlic rice. All right, let's go. Bite. Oh yeah. That is wonderful. The egg pairs wonderfully with the lamb and rice. That is salug right there. The lamb tocino, and which tocino I believe it means bacon. Kind of that the sweetness of bacon in that lamb. That's incredible. I mean, we're gonna continue. That refreshing tomato looks amazing. Maybe we'll take a bite of the egg. Let's do a combo. Egg, lamb, and rice. And then combo it by chasing it with the tomato, if I can get a piece of lamb on top. Okay. All right, there it is. And then we'll combo it with this tomato for chase. Definitely a balancing act. Here we go. Bite. Oh. Tomato. Oh yeah, that just breaks down the richness of that lamb and egg. That is fantastic. What a beautiful chase right there. Let's wrap it up. Lamb and tomato. Lamb first, bite. That's so good. Tomato is crisp, refreshing, and that lamb is muscle up. So they have the vinegar here. Add a little vinegar. Ooh, there you go. Okay, there it is. Drenched with the vinegar. Bite. I don't know about you, but that vinegar does make it Filipino right there. Kind of washes away a lot of that flavor, the sweetness, the soy, the garlic off of the lamb, and then yeah, that lamb flavor, that natural flavors of the lamb start penetrating. For better or for worse, I'm good with it. Yeah. That lamb is amazing. This dish will definitely satisfy you. It's actually becoming pretty addictive. Lamb tocino. Wow. That's East Bay Cafe Depot here in Fremont, California. I'd come back to order this dish again. It might not be 100% Filipino, but that's still Filipino right there. All right, check out some more of my content in my channel. If there's more Filipino food or others you're looking for, click on the videos and enjoy the bite life. Later.